Stan Jabalisco here. As you can see, I have a pair of earbuds in my little holes in the side of my head, and there's a little device right here which is a microphone. Now hopefully this will cause a higher audio level in my videos, and if I make a point of it to speak up a little bit, that certainly won't hurt. These are tricky little things to plug in. You got to really press down in order to make sure it clicks all the way in. The little jack on the left hand side of the screen, that away to me. And so how does this sound? Now, comments are open. Compare this with the other audio test that I conducted and see if this doesn't sound better. If it doesn't, I'm going to revert back, I think, to the old Windows 10 240p iPhone size screen video resolution, because at least you can hear me. Several people now have complained that they have trouble with the audio in my videos. I hope this one fixes the problem and that I remember to speak up in my videos. Stan Jabalisco signing off. Until next time, so long.